Two sparrows love. Once upon a time, there lived a blue and a pink sparrow. They were best friends ever. They lived together in beautiful houses beside a coconut tree. In sunny days, they always fly in the sky and they enjoyed a lot all the day. They sing beautifully. They sing for the flowers. They sing for the spring season. They sing over the clouds and they sing rainbow songs. They sing in the sky. They sing and played for the hot air balloons. They sing over the vast sea. They sing over water pond and they sing all over the day. At night, they also sing a night song. They love to play each time together, chasing each other through grass and singing sweet melodies. One day, when they were in their homes, a strong wind blew and knocking their homes and trees away very fast. The dangerous air pushed away the dry leaves and sparrows quickly. Each sparrow found themselves alone and scared. Pink sparrows searched high and low for the blue sparrow, calling out, blue sparrow, where are you?" loudly. But there was no answer. Meanwhile, the blue sparrow was also searching for the pink sparrow. Just when they thought all hope was lost, they heard each other's calls and reunited in a joyful flutter of wings. From then on, they appreciated their special bond even more and made sure to always stay close together. The moral of the story is that even when things seem lost, love and friendship can bring us back together again. Subscribe for more videos and stories.